Let's be real. None of us want to look older than our age, right? But sometimes the problem isn't your skincare or your sleep. It's actually the food on your plate. Yes, babe, some foods are like low-key villains. They taste good but age you faster. So today, I'm gonna expose 7 foods that are secretly making you look older. Ready? Let's go! Number 1, sugar. We all love desserts, but too much sugar damages collagen and elastin, which are basically the youth proteins of your skin. That means wrinkles, sagging, dullness, free with every bite of cake. And if that's not enough, sugar also causes breakouts. So yes, enjoy sweets sometimes, but don't make dessert your daily love story. Number 2, fried foods. French fries, fried chicken, samosas. Ugh, they taste like heaven but act like hell for your skin. Why? Because fried oil creates free radicals that break down skin cells. Result? Dullness, clogged pores, and early wrinkles. Funny part? You say just one fry, but your skin is like, girl, this is my funeral snack. Number 3, processed meats. Hot dogs, bacon, sausages, packed with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. These cause inflammation and dehydration, which leads to fine lines and that tired look. If you love meat, go for fresh chicken, fish, or lean beef instead. Your skin will say thank you. Number 4, alcohol. Honestly, babe, alcohol is like skincare's evil stepmother. It dries you out, kills collagen, makes you red puffy, and blesses you with those panda dark circles. Basically, it's the fast-forward button to aging. So drink less, unless you want to look 40 at 25. Number 5, sodas and sugary drinks. Cola, energy drinks, bubble tea, they give you sugar highs, but destroy collagen and damage teeth. Over time, they make your skin dull, dehydrated, and way older than it should look. Your body is literally like, sis, are you hydrating me or trying to kill me? Number 6, salt overload. Too much salt, water retention, puffiness, plus under eye bags. Ever wake up with a swollen face after a salty dinner? Yep, that's it. Chips, instant noodles, processed foods, those are the main culprits. So unless you want to rock the permanent puffy look, keep salt in check. Number 7, white bread and refined carbs. Think white bread, pasta, pastries, cakes. These spike your blood sugar, which breaks collagen and makes your skin age quicker. Bonus gift, belly fat. Swap them for whole grains, oats, brown rice. It's way better for your skin and body. So loves, those were 7 foods that actually make you age faster. But here's the good news. You don't have to cut them out 100%. Just control how often you eat them. Balance with healthy foods, and your skin will stay glowing much longer. Because glowing up isn't only about skincare products. It's about your lifestyle, your diet, and your habits.